Looking for a reliable bolt-action rifle without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. Great rifles don't always come with sky-high price tags. Some budget-friendly options deliver impressive performance and accuracy without breaking the bank. In this video, we're highlighting 7 of the best affordable bolt-action rifles for 2025. Number 7. Winchester XPR. If you're familiar with a classic bolt-action, this modern bolt-action rifle is built for dependable performance in the field. Its short 60 degrees bolt lift allows faster cycling, while a corrosion-resistant coating ensures smooth operation in harsh weather. The crisp trigger system improves accuracy with a clean, consistent break. A rigid synthetic stock offers a stable, durable shooting platform, and the detachable magazine feeds reliably in all conditions. The free-floating, button-rifled barrel adds precision, making it accurate right out of the box. Designed to handle a wide range of calibers, it's suited for everything from small to big game. With rugged construction, smooth handling, and a focus on practical performance, this rifle is a solid choice for hunters who value reliability, versatility, and consistency in the field. Number 6. Mossberg Patriot Synthetic. Mossberg's Patriot line offers a budget-friendly bolt-action rifle known for its reliability and practicality. It's a strong choice for various hunting conditions, featuring a durable synthetic stock for stability and a fluted barrel to manage heat and reduce weight. The spiral fluted bolt ensures smooth cycling, while the adjustable trigger allows for a personalized pull, enhancing accuracy and shot consistency. The included Vortex Crossfire 2, 3-9x40 scope provides clear optics in varying lighting conditions. Users often report sub-MOA accuracy and tight groupings right out of the box. While the synthetic stock may not be premium grade, it's solid and functional. Though some prefer metal over plastic in the detachable magazine, the rifle remains affordable, making it a practical, dependable option for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Savage 110 Apex Hunter XP. A reliable bolt-action rifle built for versatility and precision, making it an excellent choice for both hunting and target shooting. Equipped with a factory-mounted, bore-sighted scope, it's ready to use right out of the box for improved accuracy. The adjustable trigger provides a crisp break, enhancing shot placement and consistency. With over 20 calibers available, it meets different hunting needs, from small game to larger pursuits. Barrel lengths range from 18 to 24 inches to suit various shooting environments, while the easy-to-load detachable magazine ensures smooth feeding. The adjustable length of pull makes it adaptable to different shooters and conditions, including winter layers. Many users praise its ability to achieve tight groupings, even with factory ammunition. The durable synthetic stock prioritizes function over styling. Built for reliability, it offers solid performance for those seeking an affordable, practical rifle. Number 4. Howa 1500. A bolt-action rifle highly regarded for its accuracy and reliability. Manufactured in Japan, it features a cold hammer-forged barrel for durability and consistent performance. The 2-stage trigger offers a crisp pull with minimal creep, making it ideal for those who appreciate a quality factory trigger. The steel action and M16 style extractor add to its reliability, and the 90 degrees bolt throw is familiar to many users. While it may not rival custom rifles, it stands out for its smooth operation and potential for sub-MOA accuracy. The factory stock is functional, but shooters looking for better ergonomics or aesthetics can easily upgrade with aftermarket options. Overall, it's a solid, dependable choice for hunting and range work. Number 3. Bergara B14 Hunter. This dependable bolt-action rifle makes it a top choice for hunters and target shooters. It features a durable synthetic stock with a soft-touch finish, ensuring a secure grip even in wet conditions or when wearing gloves. The recoil pad absorbs impact, offering comfort when using heavier calibers. Its design allows for easy customization, with aftermarket triggers and accessories. Combines accuracy, smooth operation, and reliability. The adjustable trigger provides a crisp release, improving shot placement and control. The bolt cycles smoothly, helping maintain precision with every shot. Many users praise its consistent accuracy, often achieving tight groupings with factory ammunition. While the stock's design is simple, it is sturdy and practical, making this rifle a reliable, high-performance option for outdoor use in any environment. Number 2. Stevens 334. Designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use, this reliable bolt-action rifle excels in both hunting and target shooting. Offering multiple chamberings, it accommodates different shooting preferences, with stock options in synthetic or walnut for added stability and comfort. The two-stage trigger ensures a smooth pull, while the 60-degree bolt throw enables quick follow-up shots and reloading. Its detachable 3-round magazine simplifies operation, and the drilled and tapped receiver comes with a pre-mounted Picatinny rail for easy scope attachment. With a free-floating barrel for enhanced precision, it maintains consistent shot placement. Balancing practicality and performance, it combines affordability with quality features, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable rifle capable of delivering accuracy in various shooting conditions. Number 1. Sig Cross Magnum Sawtooth. This high-performance bolt-action rifle combines advanced technology and lightweight design, making it ideal for long-range shooting and rugged terrains. It's chambered in powerful calibers like 7mm PRC and .300 PRC, offering flatter trajectories and extended range. The rifle features a Magnum-length receiver and action, but is engineered to remain light and portable, perfect for backcountry use. Key features include an adjustable mesh trigger, an ARCA-compatible handguard, and a fully adjustable skeletonized stock, all inspired by precision rifle systems. The barrel is wrapped in carbon fiber for reduced weight, and a stainless steel muzzle brake helps manage recoil. Finished with Cerakote for durability, it's guaranteed to deliver sub-MOA accuracy, with a target included with each rifle. This rifle is designed for those seeking accuracy and reliability in tough environments. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.